Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making chocolate chip cookies. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees. You will need 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 2 eggs, 1½ cups of brown sugar, 1½ cups of butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 cup of chocolate chips, and 1 cup of chocolate chunks. Add the salt, baking soda, and baking powder to your flour, then mix well. In a stand mixer, add your butter, sugar, and brown sugar. Now mix until well incorporated. Add the eggs one at a time, then add your vanilla extract and continue to mix. Now slowly incorporate your flour mixture. Now add the chocolate chips and chocolate chunks and continue to mix. Place the dough in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour before baking. Using a 1/4 cup measuring cup, form your dough, then place them on your mat. Transfer to your preheated oven and allow your cookies to bake for 12 minutes. After 12 minutes, remove them from the oven and allow them to sit for 5 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.